Alright y'all, back over here at the build. So I'm working on the windows right now up here, as you can see. There's one on this side and there's one on this side. So what I did was I took some 2x4s and I blocked it out on this side right here, right? And then I cut it, that whole entire thing, in half, making two of them. So there's one right here and there's one right here. Okay, and now we're going to put some clear plexiglass in it for the window, and let's get to that. Alright, so what we're going to do with this here is I've got the frame right here and this plexiglass right here, which I've already taken the protective film off of it, and I cut it to the size that I wanted it to be. I tried to cut it a tiny bit smaller, but you know, that didn't come out. Wasn't the easiest thing with a blade. Probably should have used a saw. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put some trim in front of it like this. I'm going to set it up first. So that I know what pieces go where. Something to the effect of this right here. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pre-drill some holes so we don't break anything. Let's do these holes. 46 inches, right? Let's do these holes. It would be 23 would be half. We could do them every foot, roughly every foot. That sound good? Is just repeat the same process over again for the other window. And just so you can see, this window is going to go. So this window is going to go up in here like this, and it's going to be on a hinge. It's going to be on a hinge that folds up. So in the summertime, it'll probably be open all the time, and there'll be 1 inch or ½ inch hardware cloth on the inside to protect from anything getting in. But that's what it's going to look like. You know, of course, with trim around it and paint, it'll look nice, you know. But it's a chicken coop. So, I mean, is nice really important? All right, I just got to make one more now. Before I make the other one, I think I'm going to go ahead and install this one. Make sure there aren't any unforeseen problems, right? Let's get some measurements on this wood here. Yeah, this pops up a little bit. I'm going to have to cut that. I'm going to have to trim that little, I'm going to trim that little piece down from right about here to here. I can feel it sticking up a little bit up there too. All right, no better time than the present. Working with OSB is not fun. It's messy, it gets in your face and your eyes and your skin. It does not cut right. It does not do what you want it to do. Oh, I dropped all my screws on the floor. Let's go ahead and pick these up.